Alright, good morning in the United States. It is 1:40 in the afternoon, in the morning, Pacific Standard Time, 1:40 a.m. I apologize for my low voice, but I do have a family that has to be up very early in the morning, and I am up at the bright eye very early. But I did want to go over one particular market where I believe critical resistance in the pound dollar has been met. And if I start out on the 240-minute chart, I can count 5 waves up, um, and I'll count it like this. This can be the 1, and let's do this as a 2. Then this can be the 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 3. 3 can go there. And now you have a 3-wave move for A, an expanded flat B, and then a 3-wave move for C for 4 there. And now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then basically wave 5 will be here, if not another 10 to 20 ticks above that. But looking on I was looking to go long-term short on this particular market, and you can label it a couple of different ways. However, where is my, here it is. So I just went short at 134.40, and I was expecting price for the last month or so, a lot more than that actually. On my Ninja Trader, this Ichimoku cloud has been with this particular resistance line for about 2 to 3 months now, and I was going long with these trades here and there. I did expect price to find resistance here, and I thought this was the top, but it turned out it wasn't. And I got a little bit more confidence in this particular top being, and this will be critical resistance. I will have my initial stop at about 135.50, which will give me about 110 tick stop loss. And if this is the top of wave 4, it can either be an A, B, C of 4 or a W, X, Y of 4. Right now I have it as a W, X, Y, but it can also be a 3-wave move for A, a 3-wave move for B, and then a 5-wave move for C. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. No, A, B, C for 4 here, and then 5. Which is literally found critical resistance right at this Ichimoku cloud resistance line. So if this is the top, if this is the top of wave 4 and we are currently going to be working on wave 5, well then you need to expect price has to go below 19, 1.1900 basically, if not lower. So this is why I'm trying to take my chances now, just with a full contract. I have a cent half, but I know I got more than half on there, but maybe something's wrong. But um, I'm going to go in and test it, and I'm going to look for 5 waves down, and I'm going to see. I'm not trying to pick a top, but I do want to enter this trade as a long-term trade. So this is just a quick alert to alert anyone who trades long terms. This may be the market to keep an eye out on, because if this is the top and it's at 134, this is the top of wave 4, where you're talking about more than a $15 move. So that's a lot of pips. So just keep an eye on it. Take a look at it. I think I have my 240. Let's see. Yeah, so my 240 on here to where this was for. This here is not even. I gotta redo this. I have to redo this, but yeah, you can clearly count 5 waves. Either this is A or 1, B or 2, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C for 4, and then you basically got wave, an impulsive wave 5. So RSI definitely showing signs that it's overbought, but I don't too much pay attention to the RSI. I mean, it shows signs of being overbought. I believe here somewhere, or somewhere over here, and it still went up. So yeah, like right here actually. Then you see it dip down. Now all of a sudden it shot back up. So I don't pay too much attention to that. I'm gonna leave that there because I need to get some sleep. I've been up since 6 a.m. and it's almost 2 a.m. So I'm running on 20 hours of being up. But I did want to show this one. I'm still down on the New Zealand dollar. Where I have this is a W, and this is an A, B, and then possibly ending diagonal C for X. And if this is correct and this count is correct, well then I'll see my Y go to above 73. But right now I am down, so we will see how that plays out. I did do pretty good in the Euro Yen. I've already got stopped out of it, but I jumped in. I forget exactly where, but I took majority of this spike down. I didn't catch nowhere near this. When it spiked down, I think I was in it right here, and when it got back up, I think I got about a good 60 ticks, somewhere around there, of it. I didn't keep my eye out on it to either reverse the position or go from there, but when I posted 2 days ago, I said this was a 5 or 5 will be here, and I'm expecting price to either have one more wave up to go to the 1.236 and then I'll go short again, or I may keep an eye on it. But either way, I'm not going to do anything tonight. I don't trade when I'm tired. I'm just trying to get a video out of the pound dollar. I'm doing pretty well in the dollar versus the yen. Actually, I'm about to raise my stop on that one. I still expect price to go down, but we'll see. I mean, if prices find resistance here about 111.28, give or take, then we'll see. But my stop will be raised. So, and I believe that's where we're going to find some resistance in that particular area. But for now, I'm gonna lock in what I can lock in, and without being uh, without being too cocky. But I'll go right there at that line and lock in some tips. I've already got stopped out of the Aussie. I'm down. I'm actually only up 10 pips on the CAD. I was up a little bit more, but not anymore. And the last but not least, the trade. So I believe I had my entry to go short for literally about 5 weeks at 91. I'm sorry, at 90.90, I believe, and or 90.85, and I think I accidentally raised it up to 90.90, and I got popped in about a day or two ago. It hasn't done much, and quite frankly, it could still continue to go up. And I could be completely off, and prices will go to my 94, 100% range, but I'm testing it right now. Right now this is a 0.5, the 50% mark. So I'm trying to see if it's going to give me a swing basically low, which will then find support here at about 88. So it could be an easily 200 to 300 tick move. We'll see how that plays out. But until then, I'm gonna go ahead and leave. I'm gonna let this be the end of this, and I'm actually going to post something tomorrow, just giving updates on everything else. So happy trading tomorrow. Hopefully I can get some rest, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading.